Richard!
Failed it. Yeah.
I'm recording right now on this goddamn blizzard.
I'm gonna throw that.
Yeah. Oh shit! Rinaldo! Oh my god.
I'm gonna turn around because the wind's going that way.
This blizzard is crap. I'm recording right now, dude. People gotta know what's going on right now. Neville, do you hate this blizzard?
I love it!
I hate it. Chris, how do you feel about this blizzard? It's shit.
Look, dude, it's gonna bust our shits on you.
I feel like the power's gonna go out at like 7 o'clock. Sergio!
Hello, sir.
This blizzard's crap.
Is this gonna be on Facebook?
Yeah, this is gonna be on YouTube.
Oh.
Everyone's gotta know.
Alright, bro.
Alright. I hate this weather. Oh fuck. We're in the middle. We're in the middle of a blizzard right now, and like we're all freezing. What's good, Roy? Luis, what's up?
It's all good.
What's good, Ramon?
What up?
What's good, Adam? Oh shit. I'm recording right now, you guys.
The government is evil.
The fuck? They never warned us about this.
What's good? What's good, Demo? You hate this weather?
Nah.
I hate this weather.
Yeah, where are you?
Well, you got that lock on you.
Hey.